everyone, welcome to today's video. Thank you so much for being here. I truly appreciate it. So today we're opening up the Variety Fun December snack box. This is the fun box. This is absolutely my favorite snack subscription. Before we get unboxing and talking about Variety Fun, I just wanted to discuss something really quick. So I'm always 100% honest with you guys. I always disclose, at least verbally, I always do in my description box if I get anything sent to me for free. So far I've never posted a sponsored video. There may be one in the future. But recently the FTC released some new laws and they want to make sure everyone is transparent, and I feel like I am, but now in the beginning of all of my videos I'm just going to let you know really quickly if anything was gifted, anything like that. So I am a Variety Fun partner, so I get this box sent to me for free. But the link and the code they provide me, I do not make any money from. It's not an affiliate link. That is just for you guys to save some money. So I really appreciate Variety Fun. Thank you so much for sending me this amazing box and providing a code for my followers, my subscribers, my friends. But I just wanted to let you guys know that. I hope you know I'm always honest with you guys about everything I say in reviews and everything like that, but I just want to make sure I'm following all the laws and being as transparent as possible. So in the beginning of all my videos, I'm going to let you know if anything is gifted or if there's any affiliate links for the boxes I am opening. Now there may be affiliate links in my description box, like with the makeup I'm wearing and stuff like that, and that will be always disclosed there as well. But yeah, I think that's enough housekeeping. I guess I should just also remind you guys that I do have several giveaways going on, and I always link those in the description box as well. But let's get back to Variety Fun. So here is the box it comes in, which I think is just so cute and fun, like the name kind of suggests. So like I mentioned, I get the fun box. They have two different varieties. So there's the fun box where you pay $24.99 a month and you get 40 classic snacks, and the snacks rotate every month, so you get something different every time. They actually offer an option to get it twice a month, so if you like have a few little ones at home and want to pack their school lunches and you run out of the snacks quicker, you do have an option to get it twice a month. But for the one time a month, it's $24.99. And again, you get 40 snacks. And they also offer an option that's called the Fit Box, which is $39.99 a month, and you get 30 healthy snacks. So I'm going to leave all that information down below, and I'm also going to leave down below the code they gave me to save you 30% off your first box. That's a lot of savings, so definitely take advantage of that if you are interested. That's pretty much the biggest discount I've ever been given from a company, so thank you, Variety Fun. I love this box. I seriously can't, it's great. My pantry's full of snacks every month, and I don't have any kids or anything like that, but I think this would be perfect for those that do have kids that are in school and need to pack their lunches, but it's also great for anyone because who doesn't love a good snack? So I think that's everything. If you guys have any questions, as always, just leave a comment down below, but let's get unboxing. So when I open up the box, this is what it looks like, and it is seriously jam-packed with snacks. So I'm just going to show you one by one the 40 snacks inside. So on top I see several things from same company, so let me grab these. So we have some of the Remy's Graham, wholesome, delicious, like graham crackers. So the first one I have here is cinnamon. And then I have chocolate. And I have received these before and they're very good. And there's also the honey ones. So I love how they have a variety. Of course, Variety Fun's the name of it. And then they also have some cookies. I believe this is like the sister brand because the packaging is really similar. But Abby's Cookies, I love these. I'm such a cookie girl. So these are the ones in chocolate chip. And then we have the shortbread ones. They're so good. And I love having them in this size. I think I say this probably in every Variety Fun video, but I love to have something sweet after I have like dinner or lunch, or like really any time. So having them in just like a bag like this controls my consumption. And just looking at it, it's only 150 calories, so nice. Now I see some really yummy cookies on top too. We have 2 packs of these. It's the Oreo Minis. I don't think I've ever had Oreo Minis before. And here is the other one. I've had regular Oreos and I must say I really do like them. Oh man, I loved these when I was a kid. Here are the Ritz Bits cheese cracker sandwiches. These ones were my favorite. I like the peanut butter ones too, but I just love cheese. And then we have some mini Chips Ahoy. We have 2 packets of these. Yum. And it looks like we have 2 packs of the Snyder's of Hanover 100 calorie pack mini pretzels. These are a nice healthy snack. We have some regular, or the traditional savory Chex Mix. I get so hungry when I open this box. I haven't eaten yet. Tonight's trivia night. I haven't told you guys we made it to the championship. I'll update you guys in a different video. I don't want to get sidetracked. I can do that. Back to the snacks. Goldfish. We have the classic cheddar goldfish. Kids just love these things. I mean, me too. And then we have Nature and Garden Omega-3 Deluxe Mix. We have another little nut mix. Looks like this is more like a trail mix. The gluten-free sweet and salty mix. This has peanuts, cocoa candies, raisins, and sunflower kernels. This is by Cars. And then I see a few things by this company, Bada Bean, Bada Boom. These are really good. These are like crunchy broad beans. I had to look, is it like fava beans or something like that? Yeah, fava beans. So this is the Mesquite Barbecue Crunchy Broad Beans. These are all 100 calories, these packs. This is a perfect snack, in my opinion. And then we have it in Cocoa Dusted. Oh, I don't know if I've gotten this one before. So this is like more like a dessert type. You're still getting your protein. You get 7 grams of protein per pack. And then here we have the sweet cinnamon one. Awesome. We have another goldfish pack. Oh, Nutter Butters. I love Nutter Butters. These are the Nutter Butter bites, so they're the smaller mini ones. Looks like we have a few bars here from the company. This is new. Cooper Street Granola Cookie Bakes. Real satisfying. This one's in oatmeal cranberry. That sounds really good. Ooh, the other 2 sound really good as well. The next flavor is chocolate cherry. And then we have blueberry pomegranate, yum. We have some Keebler bite-sized cookies with mini M&Ms. These are so good. We've gotten these before in the box. So they do like rotate everything. You're not gonna get the same exact box every month, but you may get some like repeat items, which isn't a problem. They don't repeat like too often, and the ones they do repeat are super good. I see several packs here of the Planters salted nuts. I love having little packs of nuts just because these like can fit in your bag, and if I'm really starving, I like to have a snack that has some protein in it to like kind of get me by. So these are nice to have. We have 3 of them here. Did I show you them? I'm sure you guys know what these look like, but there you go. Ooh, I don't know if we've had this before. I love cashews. They're one of my favorite nuts. This is Nature Garden Unsalted Roasted Cashews. Yeah, I usually like salt on my things, but I'm trying to be healthier, so that's nice to have. And then we have by the same company, Nature's Garden Cranberry Health Mix. Again, this is another type of thing I would like keep with me in my bag if I was out for a long time. And since I see another thing by this company, I'm gonna grab that. This is their Omega-3 Nut Mix, and this is heart healthy. We have a Quaker Chewy Peanut Butter Chocolate Chip Bar. I had one of these the other days because I've gotten it in a previous box, and it tastes so good, and it just reminds me of my childhood so much. A lot of these snacks do. I loved that kind. I still love that kind. Oh, we have another Planters nuts here. So we actually got 4 of these this time. That's the most we've ever gotten of one item. Oh, we've gotten this before. I think one of you guys asked me how it was and I didn't try it yet. It was amazing. So this is the Fiber One brownie chocolate fudge bar and it's only 70 calories. I'm sorry I didn't get back to you, whoever you are. I'm so sorry. But yes, this is freaking good. I like would get a huge pack of these from like Costco type thing, like a huge box because they're that good and they're only 70 calories and it tastes so chocolatey and yummy. This is like a perfect dessert, especially if you're like watching your calorie intake. So good. And then we have Nature Valley Crunchy Oats and Honey. Another snack that brings me back. And I feel like I always save like my favorite like cookies and cookie brand for last, but the last 5 remaining things in here are by Grandma's and I love Grandma's cookies. They're so good. Oh my god, they're always like the first to go in the box when I get these every month. But we have 2 of the Grandma's chocolate chip, which is one of my favorite kinds. These are so good. Have you guys tried these? They're like soft and chewy, just amazing. I'm pretty sure you can even get these like at your gas station or like anywhere. If you can get something at a gas station, usually you can find it pretty much anywhere. And then, ooh, we have 2 of the peanut butter kind as well. I love peanut butter flavored things, so good. And last but not least, we have the Grandma's Oatmeal Raisin Cookie. So that was a lot of snacks, and I feel like paying $24.99 for 40 snacks is an amazing deal, but if you use my code, it's like $20 so for your first month. So if you're looking for an easier way to get some snacks, want to spend less time going to the grocery store, if you have growing kids that eat so much, I know like when my brothers were growing up, they would go through this box probably like in a few days. Like kids eat a lot, especially growing kids, and if you have a big family or if you're someone like me that just enjoys food. I love this box. And again, I'm gonna leave all the information down below. Thank you guys so much for being here and unboxing with me. I hope you understand my little intro with all like disclaimers. I'm pretty sure, I'm hoping if you're a regular subscriber of mine, you know I'm always honest anyways, but I may have some pre-filmed videos where I didn't give like that little disclaimer in the beginning, but again, I always leave the information in the description box. But yeah, anyways, I am going to go have a snack, then run off and play some trivia and hopefully win. Tomorrow's the championship. Again, I'll keep you guys posted on that. I'm like super pumped and excited, so wish me luck. But anyways, I love you and I'll see you in my next video, guys. Bye!